In this video, I'll show you how to transfer stocks from Cash App to Robinhood. The process is quick and simple, so just follow along carefully. First, open the latest version of the Robinhood app on your phone. Once you're in, tap the little person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your account. From there, tap the three lines at the top right corner to open the main menu. In the menu, look for the option labeled Transfers and tap on it. Then, select Transfer Accounts into Robinhood. This option lets you move your investments or brokerage accounts from other platforms, like Cash App, directly into Robinhood. Next, you'll be asked to provide information about the brokerage you're transferring from. In this case, select or type Cash App as your brokerage. Then, enter the account details requested. This might include your Cash App investing account number and any other information Robinhood asks for to verify ownership. Once you've entered all the required details, carefully follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. As long as the information you provide is accurate, Robinhood will start processing the transfer, and your Cash App stocks will move over to your Robinhood account. That's it. That's how to transfer stocks from Cash App to Robinhood. It's simple, safe, and makes managing your investments even easier in one place.